Hey there everyone. So today is kind of an exciting day. So a long time ago, like honestly, I'm thinking almost 2 years now, I had purchased the Tombow Irojiten Rainforest set. If you're unfamiliar with the Irojiten pencils from Tombow, I should probably take this out of plastic, so I'll talk while I do that. They are little sets of 30 that come in like these little, almost like encyclopedias. They have volumes to them. And during my last coloring haul, I had gotten the second set. So I had started with Rainforest, and then I had gotten the other 30, which were, I can't remember. I want to say it was like the Seascape, because I think this is the desert or whatever it is. But I decided, you know what? I might as well just commit and finish this. Now, little disclaimer, if you saw my Irojiten review on the Rainforest ones, I did mention I really wasn't that happy with them, because I wasn't. They were actually very hard leads. I kind of felt like you were paying for the packaging, but the completionist in me had to move forward and buy the rest. And I wanted to I want to see what all of these colors are, because I have this chart. I do not remember where I found this chart. I'm so sorry, but someone on the internet for free had a chart that broke down the Irojiten by color family, which was great with all the different sets. And so as you can see, I have some empty spots. So there are 100 sets total. Here is the next set I got. Now the set I got last month, they had like a sale for maybe 10 minutes where it was like 25 bucks for this set, and then they sold out. These are normally anywhere from 30 to as high as 60% on Amazon and Blick, depending on the day. But yeah, this is what they look like. So here is the little pamphlet. Kind of goes over all the colors and all the sets and what you get in them. And like I said, each one is unique, but these are them. So inside each one, you get a set of 30 total pencils, but each little box here has 10. And this looks like we have volume 4, Pale Tone 2, volume 5, Deep Tone 2, volume 6, Light Grayish Tone 1. Now, if you're seeing 3 sets, you're thinking that's 90. Well, they came out with the last set, which was 10 pencils. No, 12 pencils. I don't know. I'm confusing myself now. But they had come out with a set of 10 pencils to complete the set that you have to buy open stock. And I had purchased this set, but this actually contains some of the colors you already have, because this is the vivid colors only. So I actually plan to return that one and get the open stock 10 set. That was my bad for not reading. But here is, let's see, this is the Pale Tone 2. So these are pastels. So I wanted to kind of finish the set off with you guys. Let's fill in this chart and see what on earth we get. So P20. Let me zoom you guys out. Okay, so we have completed the Tombow Irojiten set of 90 pencils. Let me know if it's worthwhile to get the 10. You know, I got completionist syndrome, but every box in this chart is filled out, so I'm not as in a rush. Whereas with the other, like with this set, I was like, I need all these boxes filled. But let's take a look, okay? So one thing is no white. Am I upset about that? No, because I rarely use white from other sets. I have the white pencils I like, and I stick to them. Like I said, all these skin tones work really well, and they did give us a creamish color, so that one had me set. Let me zoom you guys in a little more, because I really want you guys to see. So here is our pinks and reds. We do have a true red. Thank you for that, Tombow. But look at all those pinks, including these 2 neons. Then we have a nice selection of oranges. And then all of our yellows and like our olivey mustard and gold, green gold colors. Now, look at this green row. Loads of green. Loads. Nothing super similar. Although these two, I think they could have probably done away with one of those and replaced it with something else. But a really nice selection. I like how they have gray greens, which is really rare in sets, these gray greens here. I love the teals and the misty colors. I'm loving some of these lighter greens and these olivey dark ones and the pine colors. Then they have their turquoise colors here. Awesome selection. Blues. Not as many blues as greens, but still a really nice collection of blues. Yeah, I wouldn't say anything's missing because you've got everything from a sky blue to a nice dark indigo and a Prussian style blue. Purples, this is where I feel kind of, like, so say I'm going to use these for hair. I'm looking for a nice grapey color. I got that, but I'm not seeing any good transitional colors between this one and this one here. They've got like a gray purple here. These two are pretty similar, so, you know, I could do away with one of those if I, you know, in that set. And then these are kind of our reddish, red violets, and they're kind of, so-so. Now, the neutrals I really like. These would make a great brown hair color. They would also do great for skin, although like I said, I probably will use these mostly for hair because they are hard. The pigment does not want to come out of these bad boys. Oh my. And then grays. So you have a black, you have 2 grays, and I'm fine with that. I don't need a load of grays. If I want grays, I've got other pencil sets. So yeah, overall, not shabby. I have now completed my 90 Irojitens. And then, like I said, let me know if you happen to own the entire 100. So you have those 10 open stock. I need to return these because I bought the wrong set, but let me know if you have those extra 10. And if you think it really matters, if you've seen a difference, I'd love to know. Because if not, I'm just going to stick with these. And let me know if you'd like to see hair tutorials or if this is just something I'll keep private. I don't know how many people actually have this full set. It is kind of a pain to get. So let me know in the comments below. And until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.